Eh, tu veux flamber dès le matin? Je lui fais un carton et tu viens flamber avec moi? Hein?
Ouais, j'ai vu une vache.
T'as vu une quoi?
Une vache.
Bon, il est où le touchy là?
Ah, dans la boîte.
What you need?
Well, I've always been a worm man, but Ray was telling me about your bait and...
Hello. Okay. We're gonna do some coding, and I guess this is also considered game dev. I've wanted to make I've browsed. One of the things I've done for a while now is I just go on Wikipedia and I just browse random articles. And one of the things I've just thought of while I'm doing that is, like, you could just turn this easily into a quiz where it basically just shoots you off questions about what certain things are from the article. Like, basically what... I thought of this when I was doing Duolingo, practicing Finnish. And basically all it does is it makes you fill in the blanks, which is like such a simple thing. You can basically do it from a Wikipedia quiz as far like article. So I've got this little mock-up so far. This is actually my first time using the Wikipedia API as well. But I'm just loading, or first of all I'm searching. So you can just search up. I've actually got this hooked up to be like a live Wikipedia search, so you can do like soccer, and it'll give you all the search results for soccer. So these are different articles on Wikipedia from their name. So these are technically different things you could get like quizzed on. Now what I've done so far, I've got some little debug output where it's outputting the data that Wikipedia is sending back. And when you actually click it, empty string. Okay, that's bugged. What it's supposed to do is this. When you click it, says soccer is good. It basically combines the whole article into a string. And then this is where it's going to get all of the... This is basically what it's going to quiz you off of. So my hope as well, what I think is a really cool thing is because Wikipedia actually has all the sources as... I'm really curious why this one returned an empty string. All of these should technically actually have sources at the end of them. So, see the references here. So I should actually be able to, at the end of the quiz, provide a little thing that goes, the Wikipedia sources for this are this. So you can actually, like, if things are wrong, you can actually go and look at where the wrong information came from, which I think is an important part of it. So I think this soccer article is, I think it's actually a category on Wikipedia. Like, I think this is actually going to give me a selection. Soccer redirects here. Oh, it's a redirect. Ah, I need to learn to handle redirects. Okay. Let me actually look this up if there's a way to handle redirects. Like, I almost feel like the API should be able to automatically redirect for you. Return all redirects to a given page. Man, you shouldn't need to call a special part of the API just to do redirects. Yeah, empty string. Let's see what this is outputting. So this is my helper function for the Wikipedia API call. This is what it's called. It's called when it queries the page. So I'll output. You can see I'm console.logging the text at the end of it right here. But I'll just output the direct data. Batch complete warnings. HTML may be malformed. Extract is nothing. Hold on, okay, I gotta search this up. Wikipedia API extract is empty. MediaWiki API is returning empty extracts from Wikipedia. Requesting extracts on redirects does not work. Is there a way to detect when there's a redirect? You just need to use the redirects parameter. Compare with and redirects. Okay, so you need to do and redirects in the URL. I'm just gonna do and redirects here because I think like actually extracts and redirects. So hopefully this does it. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. Okay. So a few things I want to do. I'm thinking about a few ways of doing this. So I parsed the text first of all, because I'm gonna have to do that eventually, but like I almost feel like it's easier to just keep it in HTML form, which is what I have before, and then if I need to get sources or any other information out of the page, the HTML is still there to do that. I don't know about, I don't know. I guess I'll just parse the text at the beginning, it's way easier. I feel like doing the whole sources thing is like way too difficult, because like, or it's like, it's not too difficult, it's a bunch of work for something that's so little, and you can just like go here and go to Wikipedia and get it yourself anyways. Like if I just provide a link to the actual Wikipedia article, then it's all good. I'm just gonna work on parsing this a little bit better, so I wanna... Oh, okay. One of the things I do want is I want the related things, like the see also right here. I'm gonna get the links to these, so then when you finish a quiz on one topic, it'll actually suggest the related things.
New dead-end bus, huh? Dead-end bus. Hey, but we gonna tell y'all about how all this here really came about, you know what I'm saying? We met this man right here, man. DJ Screw.
Okay, let's just improve this parsing a little bit. So to strip all of those spaces, I'm gonna strip out the spaces first. I don't know if I should, like, that's the thing, is I kind of want to preserve, like, I actually feel like there's times with like tabs where multiple spaces is actually fine. There is times when multiple spaces is fine, so how do I strip out the spaces? I guess just make a max. I'm just gonna try actually limiting the repetition of spaces to like 1, 2, 3, or 4. Just create a variable called spaces that'll count the number of spaces. Here we reset spaces because it's something different. Besides a space, and then we're only going to output space to text when it is the first 3 spaces. I think I'll do right here. And you know what? While I'm coding this, I'm gonna get the see also data. And actually, I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm gonna output the HTML first. And the code I added didn't work. Or actually, I didn't rebuild it, did I? No, wait, I did. Why didn't that work? Space is smaller than 2. Maybe they're not spaces. Maybe it's not a space that is getting deleted, huh? Anyways, let's check this out. Oh, it's all these empty elements. Oh, I actually see. I need to not reset the spaces when it's going inside an element. So yeah, do it like this. Now I have to see where this, I need to find something that will signify, where is it? Right here, see also. So this ID equals C underscore also is probably what I can search for. I just need to find something I can search for in the HTML string to find this, these see also links. Wait a minute. Oh, this is a data URL or something. Like, the URL is actually generated from the list. I am not sure how this works. Let me look at how this works. See also. So let's look at the inspect element. See also. So how do I get the URLs from this? I wonder, are these the actual article names? I think they are. Yeah, so I think I can just use this. Let me see. It says, I almost feel like I need to put this string somewhere else to search through it, because I don't think I can search through it here. Yeah, I can't search the string. I can't remember what the button is. There's a way to bring up a text editor now. Firefox here. Where is it? Man, I don't even know. There's so many things in here now.
Tony, what did Roberta Sparrow say to you?
She said that every living creature on Earth dies alone.
How did that make you feel?
There we go, okay. That took way too long. Okay. So now what we want to look for is this. Oh my god, can I not search this? No, there has to be a way to search this. Come on. I guess not. I guess I might just end up copying this. Anyways, I'm just gonna Google it. Wikipedia API links from template list. How to get Wikipedia templates content. Expand templates API call. I wonder if I could just, what if I just, I wonder if I just take the names of the things right here, like competitions list, and if I just put this in, will this actually just be the first thing that comes up? Because I think I could actually just call this. No, see that doesn't work. So yeah, I need to do. So apparently, according to this, there's this expand templates where you do and expand templates, just like how I had to do and redirects. Let's see how much bigger that makes the API result. Doesn't seem unreasonably bigger. And it didn't expand the template. Maybe I have to do RV expand templates.
The dead have been covered with lime. The dead know only one thing. It's better to be alive.
Yeah, still not expanding the templates. Yeah, so I feel like instead of going and trying to get the API to give me these links, I should just use the names it's given me and just like feed that back into the search. Because that'll be good enough in most cases. So yeah, I'm just gonna get these list of things after the see also. Could also search for the MW deduplicated inline style. Whatever. Let's is there a way that I can store as global variable temp 0? Hell yeah, okay. This is what I love about the console here. It's so good for debugging. Alright, so I want to test finding this. So index of see also. See also, yep. Alright, let's just make it a bit more exact. We'll do ID equals... Ooh, it messed up there, it didn't find it. Let's try going here and then backing up a little bit. ID equals \c also. Okay.
Do you feel alone
So let's search for this. Oh yeah, how do I put a backslash in a string like that? Like, I think it's like 3 backslashes, yeah. No, that didn't work. I'm not 100% sure if that's right. Yeah, I think that is right. There we go. That works. Okay. So we'll parse it first, and then I'll get the C also index of. And then it'll be the next list elements after this that have the tags. And then I'm gonna store. Yes, I need to actually create some new variables for the topic text and then topic related. It's going to be an array of the related topics that we're going to extract from this. So then I need to figure out a way to calculate if. Oh wait, temp 0. I need to figure out a way to calculate if it's past the C also. So when it gets to /UL, that's when it ends. Okay. So we'll find the first of that after this. How many characters is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, approximately 30. We don't actually need it to be accurate, just do. Actually, I just realized I need to check if this even worked. It's not equal -1. And then if that is true, then we'll add 30. And we'll find the end index by finding UL, the end of the list, after the C also index. Alright, and then we search through these list li elements until we get to the UL index. So, doing this in a while loop. First of all, I'm going to need the index. And we're going to use the C also index as our counter and kind of increment that over time. And keep doing that while it's not -1. Oh, actually, we're going to use the LI index. And then after we find it, we actually increment this. Like that. So then it starts off, or actually we need to add 4 to go past this. And then it'll be able to find the next one. What it calls index of the next time. Now, I also need to find the end of LI, so oh yeah, and I need to check and LI index is smaller than the end index, so we haven't passed the end yet. Alright, and then once we get the ending here, this actually gives us our string we're looking for. So this topic related, we're going to reset this array here. Topic related length equals 0, and then each time we run through here, we'll add the topic, pushing the topic onto the array, get the topic using substring, and we can actually set LI index to ELI, so that's more efficient. And that actually should be it. That should give us our topics, and then we'll actually have the topic text and the topic related in these global variables we can access and check in the console. So we call soccer here, it looks like it doesn't do anything, but now we have our topic text. Oh my god, I just realized these are new lines. I didn't actually see that before. Those are new lines at the beginning. Yeah, so I need to rip out all new lines and tabs. Yeah, and tabs. Oh yeah, and I need to not show it after C also. Okay, so let's check if our topic related worked. Yeah, topic related worked. So here we have association football culture, players lists, stadiums list, tactics and skills, top scorers list. Alright, so that works. Okay, so I think we should actually do this first, and then this will be the C also index will be the end of this. Maybe, huh? Unless there's actually a better way to detect this. Ooh. I just realized this script needs to get removed. So I think I'm doing it here. Yeah, remove search res script. But I'm not doing it here. Topic res script. Okay. So I just need to store this and delete it. Man, it's so weird the way browsers do like what browsers consider security. The way that you can't call the actual Wikipedia website using the proper HTTP request API. It has to use these tricks to go through and load a JavaScript file to do all that. When it's like, it basically allows the exact same thing. Like, man, Core's cross-origin resource policy is one of the stupidest things I've ever seen in programming. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. I don't understand how it gives security in any way. especially now that they've released WebSockets that just let you bypass CORS and just connect to any web address. Like, man. Like, I kind of thought before, I was like, okay, it's like DDoS protection so that someone can't use a website to redirect a bunch of HTTP requests to another website. But that's what WebSockets lets you do now, so who knows? I just realized it didn't output to the console, but I still had the data there to output it. I wonder if C also is on every page. I don't think it is. Alright, one thing at a time, I guess. I'm gonna keep outputting the HTML just to be safe, or just so I have more data to work with. And right here, I'm gonna check for new lines and stuff. Character does not equal new line, and character does not equal tab. There we go. Alright. Header. So it actually seems like the only thing separating things are headers. So the last headers are always references or see also and external links. So I think any of these I can detect as the end. Alright, so yeah, I'll move this ahead before the parsing. And then when L here normally goes to the HTML length, we're going to actually create a custom variable now. I guess I'll just still call it L. And this is going to be either C also index is -1. Then we're going to look for some other indexes. Alright, I'm actually going to need a bit of logic for this. So if C also... You know what? I just should put this up here. Else... So, when C also is present, we're just going to set the length to that. Otherwise, we're going to need to find another sign that it's the end. Either these references or external links. I'm just going to search, I think.
You can either ignore it or you can help me to stop it.
Yeah, that's a really... yeah, I actually think the only way to check is references and external links, so... I'll just do the same index of... this one happens first, so we'll check this one first. If L still equals -1, we'll do that again. Otherwise, don't know what to do, so we'll just do till the end. Alright, that should do it. Let's check it out. Topic text. Okay, it has all of the new lines ripped out of it. Beautiful, just a giant block of text. So the reason we're looking for this is because it just saves data. And this way we can easily just comb through the text to find a part we want to use for the quiz. Now let's see if topic related still works. Yep. Okay. So we're actually ready to do the quiz part now.
The dead will walk here.
So let me think about this. The process of doing this, I'm actually going to need to throw up a loading screen. Because right now when you click this, you can't do anything else, and it's actually loading, but it doesn't tell you. So yeah, really got to add a loading screen. So let's add a loading screen. And you know what? The loading screen, I'm actually just going to make that the actual same background as inside the quiz. So it can basically knock out two birds with one stone. When it loads the loading screen, it also loads in the background for the actual quiz. So let's go and go into HTML now. And this class panel is the div panel class I've made in CSS. And then I'm going to name it GM for game. And it's going to be basically blank, I think. I want to do an interactive background. Just something that I can do very simply, just a wave propagation field. I'm not sure though if I want to draw it in Canvas or if I want to do it in HTML. I'm fairly certain Canvas is more efficient, like much more efficient. And it would also be way easier. Yeah, I'm going to do Canvas because HTML would be more supported, but at the same time I feel like in 2020 that's like, it's no big deal. Basically everything supports Canvas, and if it doesn't I can just disable it. So let's create our canvas. We'll call it BG for background. And that's it for now, I think. Set display to none by default, and then this one is going to be visible by default. Okay, there we go. Let's switch up the music.
music when it hit, you feel no pain. White folks that controls your brain. I know better than that. That's game, man. We ready for that. 2 soldiers head of the pack. Matter of fact, who got it? And where my army at? Rather attack and not react. Back to beats, it don't reflect on how many records get sold on sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Whether your project's put on hold in the real world.
Alright, thinking about how I want to lay this out in code.
Again, the real world is bigger than all these fake records. Wait, po folks got the millions and my woman's disrespected. If you check 1, 2, my word of advice to you is just relax. Just do what you got to do. If that don't work, then kick the facts. If you a fighter, rider, bada, flame igniter, crowd exciter, or you wanna just get high, then just say it. But then if you a lie, pants on fire, wolf cry, agent with a Y, I'm gonna know it when I play it. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip hop.
Who shot Biggie Smalls? If we don't get them, they gon' get us all. I'm down for running up on them in they city hall. We ride for y'all, all my dogs, stay real. Don't think these record deals gon' feed your season, pay your bills because they not. MCs get a little bit of love and think they hot. Talking about how much money they got. All y'all records sound the same. I'm sick of that fake thug R&B rap scenario all day on the radio. Same scenes in the video, monotonous material. Y'all don't hear me though. These record labels slang our tapes like dope. You could be next in line and sign and still be writing rhymes and wrote. You'd rather have a Lexus or justice, a dream or some substance, a beamer, a necklace or freedom. Civic like me don't play a hate, I just stay awake. This real hip hop and it don't stop till we get the popo off the block. They call it hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip. It's bigger than hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. DP's got that crazy shit. We keep it crunk up. John Blaze and shit. What? DP's got that crazy shit. We keep it crunk up. John Blaze and shit. What do you wanna do? DP's got that crazy shit. We keep it crunk up. John Blaze and shit. 1, 2, 1, 2. DP's got that crazy shit. We keep it crunk up. John Blaze and shit. DP's got that crazy shit. We keep it crunk up. They call it fake records.
Thank you.
Picture this, I'm a bag of dicks, put me to your lips. I am sick, I will punch a baby bear in his shit. Give me lip, I'ma send you to the yard. Get a stick, make a switch. I can end the conversation real quick.
I am crack, I ain't lying. Kick a lion in this crack, I'm the shit. I will fall off in your crib, take a shit. Hit your mama on the booty, kick your dog, fuck your bitch. That boy dressed up like he Santa and took pictures with your kids.
We the best, we will cut a frowny face in your chest, little wench. I'm unmentionably fresh, I'm a mensch. Get correct, I will walk into a court while it wrecks, screaming, yes, I am guilty, motherfuckers, I am death. Hey, you wanna hear a good joke?
Nobody speak, nobody get choked.
Who flame throw your fuck shit to Funyuns. Flame your crew quicker than Trump fucks his youngest. Now face the flame fuckers, your fame and fate's done with.
I walk Charlie Brown, Peppermint, Patty, Linus, and Lucy. Put coke in the doobie, roll woolies to smoke with Snoopy. I still remain that dick rabbit slacker to spill the wookie. Cause the total of the toolie will murder you friggin' moolies. Fuck out of here. Yeah.
top billing, come cops and billing it. Shots is blocked, shipped out and bought, and y'all feeling it. LP killing it, killer Mike killing shit.
What more can I say? We top billing it, valiant without villain it. Viciously found victory, burnt towns and villages, burning, looting and pillaging.
Murderers try to hurt us, we curse them and all their children. I just want the bread and bologna bundles to tuck away. I don't work for free, I am barely giving a fuck away.
So tell begging Johnny and mommy to get the fuck away. Yo, here's a gun, son, now run, get it the gut away. Live to shoot another day.
Nobody speak, nobody get choked. Nobody speak, nobody get choked.
Nobody speak. Nobody speak. Nobody speak. Nobody get choked.
Alright, Johnny, listen, let's get a good shot.
Dad, you can't see Dad. I can't see Dad now. Dad, I still can't see you.
By the look on his face, he probably shitted in his clothes. You know what this.
Peace. Huh. Peace. Power. Mad liberator. Death operator. Rock the data. Amazing flavor. Yo, the way I feel, sometimes it's too hard to sit still. Things are so passionate, times are so real. Sometimes I try to chill, mellow down, blow a smoke. A smile on my face, but it's really no joke. You feel it in the street that people breathe without hope. They going through the motion, they dimming down the focus. The focus get cleared and the light turns sharp and the eyes grow teary. The mind grow weary. I speak it so clearly, sometimes y'all don't hear me. I push it past the base, no nations got to feel me. I feel it in my bones, black, I'm so wide awake that I'm hardly ever sleep. My flow forever deep in its volumes of scriptures when I breathe on a beat. My presence speak volumes before I say a word. I'm everywhere, penthouse, pavement, the curb. Cradle to the grave, talk cathedral of a shell. Universal ghetto life, holla black, you know it well. Quiet storm, vital form, pen push the bright across. Mind is a vital force, hollow right across. Soul is the lion's roar, voice is the siren. I swing round, ring out, and bring down the tyrant. Chop a small axe and knock a giant lopsided. The world is so dangerous, there's no need for frightening. Suckers trying to hide like the struggle won't find them. Then the sun busts through the cloud to clearly remind them this everywhere. Penthouse, pavement, the curb. Cradle to the grave, talk cathedral of a shell. Universal ghetto life, holla black, you know it well what it is. You know, they know what it is. We know, y'all know what it is. Ecstatic, there it is. Huh, what it is. You know, we know what it is. They know, y'all know what it is. You know, here it is. What it is, you know, we know what it is. They know, y'all know what it is. You know, here it is.
Alright, I think I've got most of the stuff here, the code loading what I need for the quiz right now. I've also got it set up to do this animation 20 seconds a frame here, or 20 times a frame, or 20 frames a second right here. I'm not going to do that though until the quiz is ready, because I mean, like, it's all visual, it's just like an extra thing. So I'm just thinking how I want to lay out the quiz. I guess I think I should just do the simpler multiple choice questions first, which is basically just it shows a question with a blank space. I guess I'll show the blank space with an underline or something, and then it says like select the answer from one of these and it'll show like 4 or 5 buttons of possible answers.
Have no key or no clue to the game at all. Now they washed up, hung out to dry, standing looking stupid, wondering why.
What to listen to? Man, I hate how most of the stuff on YouTube now is just mixes. It's not like actual albums or anything anymore. It was like synth jazz. That is another playlist. God damn.
He's right. I am a murderer. But until 6 months ago, I was just an ordinary high school girl. Do you remember what we promised? We're not going to lose anyone else close to us again. We swore that we would always be there for each other. No matter what happens, though.
See, this is called funk. I don't think this is funk. This is like... Ah, good old trance. Let's just put on a big trance mix. Okay. So I think I'm going to put some sort of template inside this. See, I'm not sure because I could actually just generate everything including the text by creating DOM elements in JavaScript, but it would be better I think if I set this up with I could also just pre-create everything, the buttons and everything, and then I don't actually need to create anything. I could just toggle them on and off. I think I'm going to do that. That's just... Making stuff in HTML is really easy. Just copy and pasting thoughtlessly. So I'm going to create this first section here that has the question. And then I kind of want to do up to like 10 answers. So I think I'll do 10 answer buttons. I'll probably generate those in JavaScript because there's 10 of them. But I'm also going to do a text box for text answers. Yeah, alright. text, TANS for text answer. And then I'm going to create a button called submit. Submit answer. And I might just make it the same as a topic button, at least for right now. And that also means actually making it a div, but that'll make it a lot easier. And also, actually, if I have a separate button for the answer selections, it would actually be good to have this be its own style. I'm just thinking, this means it's not going to work setting how I currently set this to loading. That's not going to work. So that would overwrite all of this. So I could just... Actually, I can just create another element called load. And it just shows this while it's loading, I guess. Alright. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some water. I'm just thinking I'm not even going to do a loading screen. Screw it. Okay, there we go. That's our very simple answer screen so far. I actually think I want to do like a set space so that this is always the same distance down the screen. Like the question takes up like 50% of the screen. Just do this, I think, with the div right here. If I just do Q height 40%. That should do it. I'm gonna do the answer size. It's like 40, give it decent space. And I think that's good. Maybe a little space or padding between these. Maybe a little bit more padding. Alright. I think I should work on actually generating quiz questions now, and maybe adding some comments to this code. So let's do this. State enums ID. What is this way of loading stuff again? It's called like JSON, something for bypassing CORS. JSON with padding. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I should actually just generate the quiz right here after I load the HTML. I don't even think I should save the text. I think I should just generate the quiz right here from the text. Yeah, so I think that's just what I'm gonna do, and then if the so I'm gonna think I'll create an array. Alright. How to do this? I think I should do this based off sentences. So I think I should search through the sentences in the text. I also don't know if I should make them significant at all. I think first of all, I should try to extract random sentences. Is what I should try to do. Yeah, screw it, let's just try it. So I might use some of these states. So reset L to the text length, and then we're just going to do another for loop like this and try and parse it ourselves. Actually, I say parse myself. I think I should just use index of probably. Find periods, and that'll give me sentences. One of the other things I'm trying to figure out how to detect is filler words. Like, not necessarily filler words, but like, I don't know, like find words that are significant to the article. Like, stuff like, obviously, as, like the filler words I talked about, as is a, I should be able to just pretty easily ignore those. But like, stuff like use, it's not necessarily important, but I need like a way to detect. Yeah. I'm just imagining if I just like, let's say I just like took a sentence here. How would I take that and do like a replacement question from it? Take like association football commonly known as blank or blank. So then you have to fill in football or soccer. Yeah, actually it's the last thing in the Okay, I actually think the last thing in each sentence seems to be pretty significant. Alright, yeah. Yeah, I think that works. Okay. So, how do I want to do this? The other thing, I was thinking of doing difficulties, but I actually don't think that's a good idea. I think it should be really simple in that you just go and enter something and just go. And then it's like always something you, like, I can make the quiz difficult if that makes sense, but like, like the difficulty should come from the topics you're selecting. I shouldn't make the quiz too long or too difficult, so what I'm thinking of doing is like, I want to say like 15 questions of the fill in the blanks, where you get to select from a bunch of pre-given answers, and then maybe 5 where you type out the answer yourself. I think that might be good. But I'm also thinking of doing like 30, because there's sometimes so much information to a topic. I feel like 20 might not be enough. And then I'm thinking of like how I'm gonna dither or lay it out. And then there's the other thing of like, I could just do it randomly, where sometimes you just get unlucky and just have to answer a whole bunch of multiple choice or something like that. But I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to do a prefixed amount. So if I did 20, then I could do like the first 5, or maybe the first 4 are like select, or like multiple selection, and then the 5th one would be like text, then another like 4 multiple choice, then another yeah. Then that would be 4 text answers. I think that would be good. Maybe doing 25. You know what? I think I'm just going to do it. And then if it turns out feeling too long, I can either shorten or... I should actually see how it feels when I actually do it. Alright, so I'm going to just do 10 to begin, I actually think. And I'm not... yeah. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to generate a few questions. So my idea is I'm just going to take a random sentence and that'll have the answer in it. I'm just going to take part of that sentence and that's going to be the question and answer. So I have to first of all make sure that I'm not reusing sentences, which should just be searching through that. We'll see. I almost feel like as well I should wrap these into our own array, but I guess not. Yeah, and right now I'm using math.random, but one of the things I want to do is actually use a fixed RNG algorithm so that I can pass around the seed, and it would be really cool to be able to just send a quiz to someone so it gives you the exact same questions and it's not random. So that way you could actually like generate quizzes to send to people. Alright, so now, once we get this random index, we're going to find the first and last period near it to get the sentence container, and we're just going to try to parse sentences to begin. Or essentially just give us random sentences. So I kind of messed up. It includes the periods before, but pretty much works. Misconduct may occur at any time, and while the offenses that constitute misconduct are listed, the definitions are broad. Yeah, okay. So let me just fix this up so... I'm gonna need to add one to this. Add one to each of them, actually. Anyways, I know what it's gonna do. Let's try generating the questions and answers now. I also don't think I'm even going to worry about the same question and answer occurring twice, because it's so rare. If it does happen, it's actually kind of a good test to see if you, like, because you actually might answer a different thing each time. I actually just realized I need a different way of describing the topics. The topic questions are just going to be strings. I need to not just store the answers as strings, but as sections. Actually, if the question is always the last, no, that wouldn't work. Just trying to think, what exactly am I looking for here? And how do I want to store these results and answers? I guess I can just fill in the blank, like have the blanks like that. And then the answers are just listed. That would work. Alright. Still need to think about how... I just read this one. The sports also exasperated tensions at the beginning of the Croatian Independence War. Jesus Christ. That's how important the sport is. So I'm thinking choosing big words. Or, first of all, blacklisting a bunch of filler words. The, is, a, an. And then it just finds a word to replace. I'm thinking measuring the minimum and the maximum lengths of words, choosing the words that are in the top like 60 or 70%, and using those. I think that would actually work. So let me just test out these first, doing proper sentences. Well, that looks broken. ITV have confirmed Soccer 8 2020 match will be played by closed doors. So this should actually have periods in it, I feel like. Let me actually see what this page looks like. Let's debug this a little bit. Okay, I need better HTML parsing. I need to exclude these lists. Lists should not be in it. Let's see, this is actually good. Up until it gets to this list of events. Yeah, so I need to detect when lists begin, when lists end. Actually, that might not work completely, because it'll still include the titles from before the lists. And then it's got like information here. What looks like inside the list. Oh, never mind, it's not inside the list. Okay. I wonder if I can like detect incomplete sentences and remove those. I think I should be able to. Alright, let me try just removing lists and at least see if that helps. I think I'm just going to use index of to just rip the lists out. Because I don't think this is a good way to remove stuff. Maybe it is, I don't know. Yeah, I feel like index of is definitely the way to go.
Society. That's right, that's right. We created our own happiness, that's what we did.
Oz Us East 1. The small white boys marked the location of hundreds of crab pots. Is that I don't know. It's a mystery. I can't tell if you're quizzing me or if it's just gibberish. Alright, I think that'll work. Let's see. So it looks like it removed the lists, but it also glitched out, and it left some HTML in there, some broken HTML. So let's check that. Okay, awesome. So I think I'm also going to remove the headers here, because these are not needed at all, or they have bad information or bad text in them. But other than that, it seems like everything is good now. There's no lists. It has the titles of the lists, which, this is the weird part, is like these bolded things. I don't know how I can detect and remove those besides just like the headers, or unless they're headers, I don't know. I guess I just have to kind of leave them. Or maybe, because I know that the lists will have titles, remove, like, because these are the titles for the lists, maybe I can, like, I don't know. Yeah, event details, soccer, event schedule. like no proper sentence there. It's like a broken sentence because of those titles, so I at least need to find a way to get those broken titles out of the place. Maybe if I just detect broken sentences. I think detecting broken sentences would probably do more than anything else, like these things right here where it's just, I can pretty easily detect that it's just slamming together a bunch of things like this by putting... I should never actually expect, though, that it is gonna have... Like, there might be some stuff that has broken English on purpose. And it actually still has references and external links here, which it shouldn't. Oh my god, it's because I do this first. So I need to find the ending again after I strip out the lists. Or I need to strip out the lists. This actually strips out the see also stuff, so I wish they used custom elements for titles instead of just doing like other paragraphs, like it does bold paragraphs here. I mean, I guess I can detect bold like that. I guess so, right? Yeah, I mean, okay, let's just remove headers and everything. First of all, though, I'm gonna fix the ending here. Obviously, I need to detect the ending a second time. I can't just use see also like this, so we'll do that now. We'll create part that just all it does is check for the end. Alright, I'm gonna copy this to just remove anything like, just remove all the paragraphs and stuff we can. I can't remember if it's just H3 or H2 as well that we need to remove. Yeah, H2 as well. You know what? I'm just doing the same thing over and over again. I just need to create a for loop and do this. Whatever, I'm just gonna do it in code. It's weird because the one I have to do is just a little bit different, so it doesn't work. Alright, that should remove all the lists and titles. Let's check it out. Ending at -1. Empty string. Shit. Well, it seems like it pretty much worked at removing the lists and the titles. Except for this stuff with celebrities and legends and coaching stuff. I guess that's DL instead of UL. I also need to remove those. Alright, now let me fix this empty string. Yeah, you know what? I should probably do this with a for loop. Alright, so now if I ever need to remove any other elements, it should be pretty easy. Just add them to that list. Alright, let's look at it now. Oh my god, it looks really good. Yeah, it looks like I pretty much got just actual text now. Amazing. Woo. Awesome. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going for. So now it should be pretty easy to actually generate questions from that. Be right back though. I'm gonna go and get some water. So I'm actually looking at this. I'm thinking I'm not going to do any text answers. Because it's like, it's so much harder. I almost feel like it would demotivate people each time they get a text question. They're like, oh, I gotta put in the text. You can't just like click the answer. I don't know.
Get up,
Rushing to watch your spirit fully drawn from the time you were a psycho, groupie, cocaine, crazy. So you want to see the show? You really don't have to be a hoe from the time you were a psycho, groupie, cocaine, crazy.
So I was actually going to replace it with an underline, but I just realized if you give an underline with the exact same number of characters as the word, it would actually give away. I should also detect names. Like if things are a capital letter, I should actually find a way to combine them into single words.
I got a bullet with fire.
Alright, so just to remind everyone, we're trying to combine names or titles of things that have 2 capital letters into a single word, so they don't become separate answers. I can't remember how to check if something's uppercase. No way. JavaScript doesn't have a way to check between upper and lowercase? I totally thought it did. The answer that people are giving is to convert to lowercase and then check. Yeah, I guess the best is regex. Huh. Alright, I guess we're just gonna do the easy way.
Sign of the burning sun into
Alright, hopefully that will combine names. Let's test it. It actually seems to be bugging at certain points. I should check the text as well. Okay, it seems to have worked pretty well. It's now combining dates and things. Let's check out some of the questions and stuff. Huh, it actually has the wrong answer here. I wonder what's up with that. I'm dumb, it's because it's because I typed out the wrong one. Okay. Alright, well let's now try getting actual decent answers out of it, instead of filler words like a and of. And I just realized, probability-wise, the shorter words actually take up more space, which means they do have higher probability. So that isn't good. So yeah, let me try picking out of the longest words in the sentence. I think that would work well.
Takes a part of me, something lost and never seen. Every time I start to believe, something's raped and taken from me. Life's gotta always be messing with me. Can't it chill and let me be free? Can't I take away all this pain? I try to every night, all in vain. Sometimes I cannot take this place. Sometimes it's my life I can't taste. Sometimes I cannot feel my face. You'll never see me fall from grace.
Might try max or average. I'll do max to begin, I think, and then we'll do try average. Alright, so this time we don't pick the answer from the words, we create a separate list that we generate from the longest words in the sentence, and then we pick the answer randomly from that. So that should be a lot better. Well, something froze, so that didn't work. What did I break? While this is smaller than 2. Alright, well now I need to check if it is a letter. Alright, well, I feel like a way to do this is actually to check of. I think I just actually have to not count. The correct way actually is, the issue is that it's counting a bracket here, or parentheses, as a capital letter. So maybe I just need to check for that, or... England beat the rest of the world 2-1.
This in mind, that if we fall, we all fall, and we fall alone.
Alright, that can't be right.
Each other's lives, holding this in mind, that if we fall, we all
Okay, yeah. Now here's the issue. It counted of, which it's a very short letter. It's almost like it's not resetting. Oh, it's because it's not, and I'm stupid. I forgot to reset it at the end of this and do answers.length equals 0. Oops.
I'm tearing away. Pieces are falling, I can't seem to make them stay.
You know what? This actually looks like it's working pretty well now.
I scare myself, I just can't let it go. Can you believe it? Everything happens for reasons I just don't.
Now I need to generate multiple choices, so things that look like they might be the right answer but aren't. So I'm going to actually look through the whole other text for that. First though, I'm going to get up, get some more water, get something to eat I think as well.
She said he's so sweet, I wonder with the rapper. And she licks me like a lollipop, like a lollipop. Shorty wanna go. Shorty wanna hug, you know I like to touch your lovely lady. Shorty wanna go. Bottles in the club. Shorty wanna hug, you know I like to touch your lovely lady. Okay, little mama had a swag like mine. She even wear her hair down her back like mine. I make it feel right when it's wrong like lying. And man, she ain't never had a love like mine. Man, I ain't never seen an ass like hers. If my mouth had me lost for words, I told her back it up like burp, burp. I made that ass jump like chirp and chirp. And that's when she licks me like a lollipop, like a lollipop. Shorty wanna go. Bottles in the club. Shorty wanna hug, you know I like to touch your lovely lady.
Alright, so I was also thinking about how I'm gonna share this stuff with URLs. And I was thinking before about just sharing the seed, but I'm thinking as long as I keep this at like 20 questions or even 10 questions, should be able to just pack that into a single URL and probably even compress it. So, see about that. Because I'm thinking all I need to store for the questions is the index that the sentence begins at. Which actually could be pretty big, that's the thing. And then saying which answer or word is selected. That's still not too bad though. Definitely do that. I'm just thinking, if I split it into sentences, it would make this way smaller and easier to parse, so might do that, I think.
The natural defenses of Trump. The barriers of caution must be down. Forget it, man, and get to the countdown. Shake this square world and blast off the Kicksville.
Anyways, now I need to get multiple answers. Yeah, I'm still stuck on the edge of whether or not I actually want to do text answers like this. I almost feel like just doing one at the end. Nah, I think I'm gonna do 20 questions, and then 16 of them will be multiple choice, 4 of them will be text. Alright, I'm thinking the more possible choice answers there are, the harder it is. So I'm going to make it harder as you go along with the quiz. At first, I think I'm just going to give you like 2 other choices, and then it's going to go up to like 10. Yeah, still not sure really how I'm gonna do this. I guess randomly going through the string. One of the things I can't decide is if I want to make the answers obey to this max length. I feel like they should.
It's a crime, you let it happen to me. Never mind, I let it happen to you. Out of mind, forget it, there's nothing to lose but my mind and all the things I wanted. Every time I get it thrown away, it's a sign. I get it, I wanna stay. By the time I lose it, I'm not afraid. I'm looking back at you to fake it. How could I believe when this cloud hangs over me? You're the part of me that I don't wanna see. There's a place I see you follow me, just a taste of all that might come to be. I'm alone, but holding breath you can breathe. To question every answer counted. Just fade away. Please let me stay. Caught in your way. Just fade away. Please let me stay. Caught in your way. It's a crime, you let it happen to me. Out of mind, I love it, easy to please. Never mind, forget it, just memory on a page inside a spiral notebook. Just fade away. Please let me stay. Caught in your way. I can live forever here. Just fade away. Please let me stay. Caught in your way. I can live forever here. How can I believe when this cloud hangs over me? You're the part of me that I wanna see. I can live forever here.
Alright. So this searching for the next space doesn't work because I also need to search for a period or yeah, I need to actually parse it. I think I actually need to create a loop through this and do kind of what I do here. Check for this. Yeah, I could do it with index of, I think, even easier. Yeah, so I want an easy way of combining index of, but I need to check if it's -1 first.
Of you.
Alright, now that should stop this from happening where there's a bracket or a parentheses or a period in the answers. Oh, I also have to do it with commas.
Welcome to me. Farewell to the world they know. Who's gonna save them? Running from war to war, there's nowhere to go. Mayhem, to war, there's nowhere to go.
Oh god, that didn't work. It just fed the whole damn thing in. Huh, what happened here? Oh. Ooh, I just realized it put a title up there. That must have been an element I missed. Let me look at this. Let me look at the questions first, though. There we go, perfect. Oh, I should also check if a word is also already included in the answers.
Welcome to me. Farewell to the world they know. Who's gonna save them? Running from war to war, there's nowhere to go. Mayhem, from war to war, there's nowhere to go. Save them, from war to war, there's nowhere to go.
You know, I thought this actually, with strings in JavaScript, doing index of in the array, I thought that this didn't work. Maybe it does. Oh my god, there's an H4 as well. Huh. Maybe I should just go to the Wikipedia page and just look at how many heading classes there are. Alright, so there's a few that don't have answers. What about this one? Huh, I wonder why this has the dash here. Should have caught this. Oh, this one might be right in the middle.
As my skin turns yellow, I forget this hill. As the skies are bruised and the rain comes down,
Yeah, this is weird because this space should be the minimum. Huh. Unless I'm missing something about index of. Yeah, like, it doesn't make any sense. It should find this space right here. Unless... yeah, I have no idea. Wait, there's actually no part of this where it does a dash. So this means where is it getting this dash from? How could that get a dash if if all it's doing is copying substring? Oh, never mind. Here it is. Gedit just didn't find it. Ooh, sorry about that. Yeah, so here it is. So I wonder what the random index was that this happened.
Possibly I've seen too
So like right here it includes this, which it's not supposed to. That would actually explain yeah, this is actually pretty hard to debug. I think I'm better off just trying to figure out why. I almost feel like it's overwriting because this isn't working. I don't know. Oh, this one also includes a comma. Maybe right here I'm supposed to check, or should check. Or split commas further. Well, I can fix that afterwards. I want to focus on this main issue here. Actually, let me fix that. I might as well fix it while I know how to do it. So after I select the answer here, I'm going to check if the answer has a comma at the end of it. I'm actually wondering if there's any other characters besides comma it might abruptly end at. Just comma. And if so, I'm going to insert another comma in the words array here before it's joined. How do I insert in the middle of array? I think it's insert. Splice to add elements inside the array. I also need to figure out why sometimes there are no answers. Oh, I'm dumb. It's because I programmed it. That's what this every 5 is. Yeah, so every 5th question is a text answer where you have to enter the text yourself. I just need to figure out what is going on with these commas and things, huh? Oh, hold on, I gotta let my cat in. the reason I really need to find out how to remove these properly is because if I don't, it causes really big issues. And by really big issues, I mean it kind of points out which answer is the wrong ones and which one is the right. Alright, so right here, 2016, I need to catch the bracket there. Alright, so there are actually no issues in that one. Let's try again. Honestly, I think this is already pretty perfect. I basically have the question and answer generation I'm looking for. So what I'm looking for is I'm right here in these single words. I'm looking for commas or parentheses or some sort of punctuation that I don't want to be there. So far, honestly, seems like it's pretty good. I'm just gonna maybe try a few more times. Yeah, maybe I did fix it before and I just didn't build it correctly or didn't compile, I don't know, because it's working perfectly now. Alright, there we go. I'm super happy with that. Because today, I basically just started this project and was just like, shit, I want to quiz myself on Wikipedia. So, here we are. That'll be it for now, though. It was a pretty quick, but I think, effective programming stream. I think we'll be able to finish this tomorrow or tonight, whenever I decide to work on this next, sometime in the next few days. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the stream. This nature camera right here will be going back on after this stream if you're interested in watching the squirrel here and the birds, sometimes my cat chasing them. See you around. I hope everyone has a good day. Thank you for watching.